As the core engine was designed and half a dozen prototypes built, Pratt began a test program that put the engines into test chambers where they would run for many hours under simulated flight conditions. Pratt used low-pressure altitude chambers and wind tunnels where engines could be run at full thrust in situations that simulated normal and abnormal flight. The engines would have to be able to survive the onslaught of everything from large chunks of ice to torrential rain falling at the equivalent of 28 inches an hour. Bird strikes had caused crashes in the past, so the engineers fired flocks of small birds, dead ones, at the engine, escalating to birds weighing as much as 8 pounds.